Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to add overlay in CapCut mobile, Android or iOS. Alright, subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. And I show you how to do it. And open App Store or Google Play and click on search and write CapCut. Click on search, open CapCut and click on update or install or open. Alright, open CapCut and click on new project or open old project and press overlay. Alright, add overlay and videos, photo and live photo and press library and alright, green screen, background, intro and end, transition. Alright, click on resend and select your videos or photo and click on. Alright, zoom in, zoom out, and right corner, left corner, left corner. Alright, click on play, click on CapCut video and press delete. Alright, and change duration. Click on resolution, change resolution, change frame rate, and change code rate. And that's all.